Before you buy Webull, there are 12 important things you need to know. Whether you're a seasoned investor or just starting, Webull has a lot to offer, but it's crucial to know how it stacks up against its competitors. Stick around until the end to find out if Webull is the right app for you or if there's a better solution out there. First thing, Webull offers commission-free trading for stocks, ETFs, and options. This is a major draw for people looking to avoid high fees, which can eat into your profits over time. Compared to other apps like Robinhood, Webull doesn't charge any commissions for trades, which gives it a competitive edge. Next thing, Webull provides extended hours trading, which allows you to trade before the market opens and after it closes. This feature can be especially useful for those who want to react to news or developments outside of regular trading hours, setting Webull apart from many other brokers that only allow trades during standard hours. The third thing to know is that Webull provides robust charting tools and technical indicators. If you're into technical analysis, Webull offers in-depth charting options that you won't find in apps like Robinhood or even some more traditional brokers. This makes it a great option for those who want more than just basic features. The fourth thing to consider is Webull's mobile app, which is known for its smooth and user-friendly interface. While apps like TD Ameritrade's Thinkorswim are highly regarded for professional traders, Webull's app is more streamlined, making it a good choice for beginners who still want advanced features without the clutter. Next, Webull allows you to trade crypto, including Bitcoin and Ethereum, all in one platform. This is a great benefit for those looking to diversify their portfolio without opening multiple accounts with different platforms, which gives Webull an edge over competitors like Fidelity or Charles Schwab. The sixth thing to know is Webull's margin trading feature. If you have a margin account, you can borrow funds to trade on margin, which could amplify your returns or your losses. Be cautious with margin, as it's a risky option that requires careful management. The seventh thing is that Webull offers a paper trading feature. This allows you to practice trading with virtual money before diving into the real thing. If you're new to investing or just want to test your strategy without the risk, Webull's paper trading feature is a great way to learn the ropes. Next thing, Webull offers no minimum deposit requirements to open an account. That means you can start with as little as you want, unlike other platforms like E-Trade or Merrill Edge, which often have higher initial deposit requirements. This makes Webull accessible for people just starting out with smaller investment amounts. The ninth thing to know is Webull's research tools. They offer real-time market data, news, and analysis, which is a huge help for traders who need to stay on top of market movements. While Webull offers a solid research suite, some competitors like Charles Schwab may provide more detailed reports or even access to premium research, depending on the plan you're on. The 10th thing is Webull's customer service. While they provide chat support and a help center, it's not as robust as some of the top competitors like Fidelity or Charles Schwab, which have more comprehensive support options like in-person assistance. So if you need hands-on customer service, Webull may not be the best choice for you. Next, Webull offers fractional shares. This means you can invest in high-priced stocks like Tesla or Amazon with as little as $5. This feature makes it much easier for new investors to get started without needing a large sum of money up front, a benefit that puts Webull ahead of other brokers that don't offer fractional share investing. The 12th and final thing to consider is Webull's security features. It offers two-factor authentication and encryption, which are standard for modern investment apps. While Webull takes steps to keep your account safe, it's still important to remember that no platform is 100% secure, so always be cautious when making transactions. Overall, Webull is a great option if you're looking for a commission-free, feature-packed trading app with solid charting tools, extended hours, and crypto support. However, if you want a better, more comprehensive solution, check out our recommended platform where you can try it for free. Make sure to explore all your options before making your decision.